Alright guys, we got another one. Look at that little dude. Here I come to save the day. Alright, this should be an easy extraction here. We're just gonna take the net. We don't even need to put it on the pole for this one. We're gonna splash him off here. He's gonna start scurrying in the water. Oh, we're just gonna do that. Alright, well there you go, bud. I guess I won't mess with you. Usually, they act like they can't get over that little ledge there. That's why I always save them. Usually I splash them and they go in the water and start scurrying around, and this little guy's ahead of the game. Look at you. Nice. Alright, dude. I think you got a good future ahead of you, man. So like, I do this sometimes, where I act like I'm a lizard. So they do this with their heads. Alright. That's how they talk to each other. They nod their heads up and down. See if oh, look. He just jumped on my finger. Check it out. Look. He just jumped on my finger. That's awesome. I was just trying to touch his tail. Look at this little dude. You're okay, bud. You're okay, Bubba. Look at him. I can't believe he just jumped on my finger like that. Alright. Well, we still made a friend. I didn't even have to save his life. Let's go put him in the habitat. See if he wants to be there. Now that I know he's proficient in water capabilities and navigating those. He knew. He knows what's up. Alright, man. Have fun in your new home. He'll be alright. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check us out later. Nature's Reality 360. Alright, guys. Later.